Next in CSS, we are going to design this thing. So this is a box in which there is a ball which is moving with a delay of 2 seconds and is going along all the sides of this box. So to design this, this is our HTML code, and within body section we are giving div class equals to, here we are naming this class as d1, which will be creating later. And within this d1 again another div class, this is ball class. Now in head section we have to give style tag, and within this style tag we are giving body. Here we are giving margin to 0 and padding to 5 pixel, 10 pixels. Now here we'll be giving d1, that is our class, and within d1 we have to give width, and we are taking it 50%, height to 500 pixel, then background color we are taking as for a screen, border to 1 pixel, solid, black, margin to auto, and margin top we are giving is 10 pixel. So this thing is going to create a box which is horizontally center aligned. Hasn't done anything. We forgot to give dot here. So this is our box, and now within this box we have to create that ball. Class for that will be dot ball. Now width I'm giving is 100 pixel, height is also 100 pixel, border radius we are giving is 50%, background color is red, save, and so this is a ball. We want this ball to be here, so we have to give margin top. (400 pixel). We'll see if it is working. If it is not, then we have to change. So right now ball is here. Now what we have to do here is we have to give animation. So for that, first thing is we have to give animation name. Here it is 1. Animation should start with a delay of 2 seconds. Animation should go up to 5 seconds. Its duration should go up to 5 seconds. Save. Here we can give animation iteration count. We want that it should move for 5. It should move 5 times. Right now this thing is not going to do anything, only ball will be at its place. Now to give this ball a moving effect, what we have to do here, we have to give animation. Keyframes, animation name is 1. Now when it is 0%, then transform, translate, its coordinate should be 0 0 x 0 y 0. When it is 25%, then transform, translate, here we have to give x because it is going to move along x-axis, and here we want that it should go up to 530 pixel. When it is 50%, then transform, translate, here we have to give from 530 pixel, it should go upside to minus 400 pixel. And when it is 75%, then transform, translate, here we have to choose translate y, and here it should go left side 400 pixel. And when it is 100%, then transform, translate, transform, transform, translate, it should again come to 0 0. Save it and go live. So this is a ball. Now it is starting with a delay of 2 seconds, and it is moving around the sides of this box. It will move for 5 times. From this side it is coming little outside, so for that here we have to change the coordinate. So here instead of 530, we are giving it, here is 25, 525, and here also it is 525. So this box ball is not going to come outside that box. This way it is going to take 5 iterations. Now it will stop.